Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a product teaser in under 30 seconds. So first of all, what is a teaser video? So in today's fast-paced world, capturing attention can be hard, especially for the Gen Z audience. So content needs to be concise, visually appealing, and straight to the point, but also leaves the audience wanting more. So there's a couple of types of teasers. So we have the explainer video. This helps consumers better understand more about your product and also provides an overview of your product. Then there's a hype video or upcoming teaser. So as the name suggests, it gives consumers more detail about more mood and also aesthetics. It's like the "we've got huge news" kind of message, garnering interest and manipulating mood or narrative. And it's a perfect balance between attention grabbing and engagement. So there's a couple tips for explainer videos. Let's dive into that. So plan narration and keep your script succinct and also short. So just make sure to limit it. Make it with an attention grabbing title. With this, there's no need to say everything about the product, so it's only the teaser. Also storyboard it. So ideas in your head, whether amazing or not, will not come to life as you want it without a clear outline. This helps your team to be on the same page too. Now next is eye-catching footage. So you can repurpose materials if you need. And of course, use eye-catching fonts, but do not overkill it. And then appropriate music, so something that excites but also intrigues people. And then of course, add a voiceover, which you can do in Jenny, and add subtitles, which of course you can do in Jenny as well. So the headline should be at the front and the call to action or CTA should be at the end. So don't forget to include it and also your logo. Now let's talk about the tips with the hype or upcoming video tips. So compared to explainer videos, this video will be more visual and also have less narration. However, you will still need to plan narration. So it should be even shorter and also it should have a faster hook. Now with these types of videos, it also really helps to storyboard it as well. Make it eye-catching, have eye-catching footage, repurpose materials if you need, and of course use different fonts but don't overkill it. And then also appropriate music or sound, something that excites but intrigues people. Okay, so I made one and I made it in Jenny. So we're going to go over that and dive into a tutorial on kind of how I set that up. And here I'll show you the raw video. Want to make amazing videos with captions easily, just like this? Or want to create videos with voiceover but don't have the proper microphone to use? That's where Jenny shines. And then I'll show you the fully edited video at the end. Let's get into it. All right, so now we are in Jenny. Let's create a new project. So I'm just going to go into create, and then I'm going to go over to resource, and I'm going to upload the footage. Now in this case, it's going to be this one. So this is my UGC, which I just recorded. Now first things first, I'm just going to delete what was already here. I'm just going to select that. Then I'm going to go into the project settings, and because this is not a horizontal video, which Jenny will default to, I'm going to change this to a portrait video or vertical video, which is 9:16. Okay, so we have the UGC video here. So let's just spice it up a little bit. So we're gonna go over to subtitles, and then we're gonna click on auto subtitles and English US for me. And then I'm going to just generate those and then just give that a minute to generate those subtitles. All right, so we have the video with the subtitles now. I'm just going to click on this. So we have our project zoomed in a little bit so we can see what we're up against and how it's looking. So far, looks like this, right? This is much better than before without subtitles, especially because a lot of people will watch videos without any audio on. So this is definitely really important. And one thing to also note to really spice this up is to go into the style. Now with this, you can basically change any of the subtitles to make it with different colors or different animations, etc. I really like this one, so I'm going to go with this. It basically makes the text that I'm saying at that specific time highlighted in yellow. All right, so now it looks a bit more like this. So we can see here that it's much more animated than before. So one thing I definitely want to do is add a call to action at the end with the voiceover from Jenny. So we're going to set that up here. So first things first, I'm just going to go over to resource, and I'm going to import a logo from Jenny. And this is going to be how that looks, but I'm just going to shorten it down just slightly. And then I'm going to go into the pro voices, and I'm going to pick Nicole. I think she's going to be perfect for this. So I'm just going to write something call to action based. So something like download Jenny now. Then I'm going to click on ready to generate. And here we'll just give it a minute to generate that voiceover.
Download Jenny now.
Okay, so now we have the voiceover. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to place it right where I want the final call to action to be at the end. So I'm just going to make it right here. So it's going to sound something and look something like this.
Start your video editing journey today.
Download Jenny now.
So that's pretty cool. We have our full video with subtitles. They're also animated with a really interesting, coloration, highlighted text. And with that, we also have the final call to action at the end with a cool voiceover as well from the application itself. Now, I think one of the last few things I want to do to really just add the cherry on top is to make this voiceover into a subtitle right down here as well. So I'm just going to click on subtitles, and then I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and then I'm going to click on the plus icon, add a new line. All right, so now it's going to look something like this.
Journey today.
Download Jenny now.
And here is what the final video looks like. Want to make amazing videos with captions easily, just like this? Or want to create videos with voiceover, but don't have the proper microphone to use? That's where Jenny shines. Jenny, the ultimate online video editor, is here to transform your video creation experience. With just a few clicks, add crystal clear subtitles to your videos, making them accessible and engaging for everyone. Say goodbye to complicated software and hello to hassle-free editing. And the best part, you can try Jenny for free. So why wait? Unleash your creativity and make your videos stand out with Jenny. Start your video editing journey today.
Download Jenny now.
I wish you guys luck using Jenny. Definitely check it out. It's linked in the description below.